Welcome everybody. Today's design is a one-stroke unicorn eye. I've mixed some glittery silver and metallic blue paint together on a petal sponge and put that on my eye first. Next, with white on a round brush, I'm going to start the ear just above the center of the brow and end at the inner corner of my eye. Then close the back of the ear from the top point to the outer corner of the eye and fill in the ear. Grab that same petal sponge with the blue paint and blend it in with the white. And finish it with a white outline. Load a flat brush with a one stroke that contains purple, pink, and white paint for the mane and the front tuft of hair. Leading with the white color on the outside, I'm going to place the first hair stroke. Then flip my brush over for the last two hair strokes, leading with the purple on the outside. And place the brush at the brow line on the other side of the ear with the purple paint upward for the front tuft of hair. Paint a gold horn just above the hair. Using white, outline the mane with some swirls and teardrops on the ends. Add a white starburst under the eye. Adding a starburst at the tip. A white eyeline. And some teardrops around the eye. And some dots. And the design is complete. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.